little baby fish are getting so big. And our last all black one is finally changing colors. He's turning white underneath. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Right there. He's got the fluffy tail. I call them fluffies. They're just mixed with fancy goldfish. But these are all mixed with the, or most of them are mixed with the Comet goldfish. So they've got those long, pretty mermaid tails. God, they're gorgeous. The baby fish are so cute, and they're not afraid of me. I'm so pretty. Hi, babies. Hi, baby fish. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.